YouTube, we back with another video. It's your boy LSP WAVY.
Never, you made this.
Simple video. I want to show y'all how I'm attacking this fork. Some people call it the flawless connection method. Some people say I'm copying or whatever. I'm doing things a little bit different, okay? And I'm seeing some progress, okay? You see how it is right now. I actually tried to mess it up a little bit. After trying this method, I couldn't go back to how it was. That's how quick the results was. I'm gonna drop some pictures how the fork looked, how it came back from the crown, you know, how it started from the crown or whatnot, how it's moving through the pattern. And it's finally at the hairline, and we may even push this thing out before the summertime. So let's get into it. I'm gonna show you what you need to get it done. If you're new to the channel, man, I'm excited, man. I've seen more progress on this fork in the last 45 minutes than I have this whole pattern, okay? If you're new to the channel, like, share, and subscribe. Comment, do all that good stuff. Run this video up. Let's get to it. First off, you're gonna need some pomade, okay? Pomade, whatever you wanna call it. Today we using Seasick pomade, okay? Only reason I'm using this is because I am featured on the can, okay? This is a collector's edition with myself and some other great waivers on it, okay? I don't believe it's available no more. The link for him will be down in the description, okay? But you need some pomade. Don't have to be that kind. You can get you some Murray's, get you some 360 Style, some Dax. Even Tracy Loren offers some pomade as well. Y'all already know the discount code for this is LSP at checkout to save a little money. You know what I'm saying? Get you some pomade. Get your hard brush. Our hard brush of choice today is by Torino Pro. Okay, this is the first hard curved brush that I ever bought. So I'm taking it back to my roots. Okay, I'm taking it back to the roots, getting back to how it started, how I first got real wavy in these streets was with this brush right here, okay? Then you're gonna need a comb, all right? You're gonna need a fine tooth comb to do this, all right? Fine tooth. Get the smallest comb that you got. This is a carbon comb. I got this from a local beauty supply. Doesn't have to be carbon, doesn't have to be metal, doesn't have to be wood, doesn't have to be plastic. Get you a comb with a fine tooth edge, okay? You're gonna need it for this trick, all right? Let's get into it though. All right, man, find your fork, all right? This is only gonna work for forks that's around the hairline, okay? This is all I've tried it on. So if it don't work for you, my bad, but it's worked for me, okay? So I find a fork, it's right there. As you can see, I wanna go against the grain, all right? Only that fork. I'm only combing against the grain by the fork and the area around the fork, okay? That's it. That's it. Just right there. I'm not touching the rest of my pattern. Nothing. I'm just focusing on that area right there, all right? Now that I got that combed up, now I'm going to get the pomade, okay? I'm not getting a whole lot of it, but I'm going to get enough, all right? That's it right there. I'm going to start working this in this area, all right? Bam, bam, bam. Just like that. What is he doing? Why is he putting it right there? Because, man, these forks, y'all think y'all moving the hair on top and the bottom. You're not. When you combing and isolating the forks, you're only hitting the hair on the top. You're rarely getting to the roots of it, okay? So I want to move all that hair from top to bottom and bottom to top, okay? So I'm going to put some pomade so I can get all the hair from the bottom to the top to get in line together, okay? I'm going to work this pomade in just a little bit, only that section, until I see it's worked in, all right? You follow me? You follow me? Okay. Now, I know it's in there. I'm going to comb. Now, this is the tricky part, right? You got to know your angles, all right? You got to know what angle is going to break that fork. So you have to comb it in the direction where you want it to actually flow if the fork breaks, okay? So I'm combing it down into this direction. You see the waves coming around here, so I'm following them and I'm combing it in the right direction. You see it, right? You see the flow is better with the pomade trick. Okay, you see it is. All right. So now I got. Where's my brush? I need a brush. Need a hard brush. All right. Here go my brush. Now I got the brush. Same thing. I'm brushing that area in the direction that I want it to go in. You can see close up, right? All this was connected going up there. But once I start brushing away, now this wave can go this way. And this fork that was in here, now it can start getting pushed out even closer, all right? Get rid of that line right there. But remember, while that pomade is in, you got to brush in the correct direction. But this is what I've been doing. And this is the closest that this fork has ever been to the hairline. It's right there. You got this little bit in front of it. And I'm telling you, if this shit don't work and this fork ain't gone by the summertime, y'all gonna see me take some clippers and I'm gonna cut all this shit out right here and start from scratch. But that's it, man. Just want that flow to get in there. All the rest of this, you can try to go this way with it if you want to kind of trick it a little bit. But look, man, the pictures that I dropped, man, that fork was way back here, man. It's moving, then it just kind of slowed down right there. And then all of a sudden I started doing this and bam, it's getting closer to the edge. That's it, man. That's it. All right, I gave y'all a dope trick today. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna give you too much. All right, I want y'all to subscribe to the channel so y'all can stay tuned and y'all can get all this information. Every time I come up with something new, I'm gonna give it to you. All right, you gotta hit the subscribe button. You gotta hit the like button. I need the comments. I need y'all to run the video up, run the views up. If it helped you, if you're gonna try it, let me know in the comments. If you're not gonna try it, let me know in the comments. If you think this trick, this tip is dumb as hell, let me know in the comments, man. Give me some feedback on what y'all think. You know, give me a name for this method or something. I don't want to call it the, flawless connection 2.0. They be like, oh, y'all, you copying off of Jeezy. And look, man, Jeezy put the pomade in and he brushed it in different directions here and there. I ain't never see him comb backwards, throw the pomade in, and then do his thing, okay? So I gotta come up with a name. So y'all let me know in the comments, man, what I should name this, and we out of here.